What up, tube? What are we doing today? We are at LoneStar Throwdown, the kickoff event for the truck scene in Texas every year. The weather's a little under. It's going to be about 35 this weekend, but 35, 40-ish degrees, maybe a little higher on the last day. Rain in the forecast, but we're indoors, and the majority of everybody who registered, and this is a sold-out event to participants, is here. There's some cool cars here indoors. We're going to start outdoors and make our way back in. And yeah, I'm expecting, rain or shine event. This event, it gets quite a bit of people, and everyone's a trooper for LoneStar Throwdown. It's going to be cool. There's some cool vehicles in here, and I'm just teasing as I'm walking through. But yeah, let's get to it. Let's find those awesome cars and trucks. And the AccuAir booth, this beautiful, excuse me, his C30 tow truck sitting on the ground. LoneStar Throwdown. It's super cold, but all the cool stuff is here. Love these long wings. Beautiful paint job on this. Who's gonna tell me what this is? Very cool. It's a caddy. Come on, guys. But you gotta love this paint job. It's beautiful. Looking great. And right next to that is beautiful 51 Merc. Chop top. Excuse the sniffles. It's about 38 degrees today. Look at that. So nice. Very cool. Love the grill. Very nice. It's a heavy duty trailer on a big old heavy duty truck. This Ford, I know my nephew Nathan would love it. Check that out. Very cool. Beautiful Apache here, Alamo Customs. Love this dark gray with the blue accents. And they carried that down to the wheels. Very nice. This truck bed is gorgeous. I love that blue accent trim around the cab. Let's take a look at that. Very cool. Awesome fleet. Our good friend Chloe built this beautiful 2024. It's pretty well known. You know, the McNasty truck. And we got to meet the owner herself. Great people. Our great friend Chloe, always from CC Customs, always putting something awesome together. She did all the work on this. CC Customs out of Lubbock, Texas. I always promote And Brianna, or Boston as she's known, the owner of the truck. Very cool. Everything works, everything's attached. It drove in here for all the haters. Very cool. Love the work under this OBS bodied Ford. And before you start hating on this one, both drive shafts are attached. That teal on white looks awesome. Amazing work on this. The indoor area of LST is always where a lot of the featured vehicles are. Although there's plenty of beautiful vehicles as you've seen outside. This was at Grand National Roadster Show in California just a few weeks ago. This beautiful square body C10. Beautiful wheels, the Willwood brakes. These color combo is so nice with this, what I call like a baby blue teal, all carried over to the intake, or sorry, the supercharger, and the valve covers. Manual brakes done correctly. I know because I talked to the owner. Very nice. I mean, you can see how beautiful it is under there. It's got fans under there. You can see that mirror. So cool. Move away to the back here. Very nice. All the air components, the frame, very well done. And if you want to pause it for a second, you can take a quick read on all the cool stuff. Beautiful truck. Beautiful ride here at the Willwood booth. This is a 53 Chevy cab, or truck cab, on this custom truck build by Black Smoke Garage. Our good friend Jonas, owner of Black Smoke. This is his daily driver, believe it or not. And if you follow the channel, you know you've seen this on the Hot Rod Tour of Texas. He has been on that every year. Has a compound turbo inline 6 diesel engine out of an old tractor. You diesel guys will probably know what this is a little bit more than me. But this makes 1,700 pound-feet of torque. It has beautiful suspension architecture. This is not your standard rat rod, as it drives very nice on the highway. This is designed to track properly on a Texas road. You can imagine the speed, that's on you. Custom built spindle using the Willwood C10 modular bearing, or non-tapered bearing. and it's got the Willwood 6-piston calipers in front, so all custom on the front. The rear is a upgraded Ford 9-inch with obviously Willwoods on the back. These are beautiful wheels. They just flow so well with this car. Inside, it's got all the creature comforts, including heating and air conditioning. And these balances out to close to 50-50 weight distribution. It's got the fuel tank. It's got meth injection. It uses water meth instead of an intercooler to cool everything down. A couple of batteries to balance out the weight because that engine is pretty heavy. And you can see how nice it is in here. And like I said, it's got heating, air conditioning, Bluetooth, all the goodies, including quick chargers for your phone. That's how you build something custom. It's got a lot of attention so far this weekend. Black Smoke Garage also brought this beautiful Jeep Gladiator. This is not your standard Gladiator. And if you look at the suspension, this is a hardcore off-road machine. This is not anything stock under the chassis. I think pretty much the only stock left is the body. It's pretty much an Ultra 4 truck with a lot of suspension travel. It's got 40-inch tires on it. He does use this on off-road adventures, not overlanding. This thing can crawl over a lot of things. It's got a shortened bed on it, which is very cool. I think it really cleans up the look of the Gladiator. That is 18 inches shorter than a stock Gladiator. Very cool. I love this OBS, bringing it back to the 90s. Another friend of ours, this beautiful artwork. Now this was this was painted in the early 2000s, I believe. This has been around for a long time, updated. MTI did the interior, always a great job. My favorite part about this truck, that goes through here into the cab. Check that out. Very cool. It is not all trucks at LoneStar Throwdown. You see that beautiful engraving on the handle. This is a gorgeous Impala. So well done. Now, these Daytons, if you look really deep inside right there, you're going to see a gold-plated, hand-engraved Willwood caliper. Willwood didn't do it. That was all the artist who built and engraved all this beautiful work, as you can see on this Texas Speed engine. And we're going to go a little further even. Check out this master cylinder. Look at that work. That is awesome. Beautiful Impala. Beautiful engraved work. Awesome lowrider. Our friend's awesome Mazda mini truck, known as Cookies and Cream. I always cover it. Why? Because it's a beautiful truck. Takes many awards. Awesome presentation. Very well done. He's got a little bit of updates. You're going to have to look deep. You're going to have to follow him a little bit more. But they're there. Very nice. Like I said, not all trucks. And this bug is impressive. A black paint, perfect. Check out these wheels with a custom Willwood calipers in there. Very nice. Slammed to the ground on air. This beautiful and clean interior, just so well done. Very nice. I love this car. That's a cool name for a 90s truck with this beautiful paint job. Really taking it back to those good old days of the 90s. This OBS is awesome. I love this peach, teal, and pink combo on the black. Another interior by MTI here out of Texas. Boy Chris and his team knocked this one out. Look at that. That's beautiful. They make some of the best interiors out there. Very nice. I've been saying it for a few years, but this mini truck scene is really popping up again. This is a beautiful Toyota. This is like a 91-ish generation. Love the green. If you look closely, you'll see the ghost skulls in there with this beautiful tribal paint job, custom everything. And I got two more behind me that we're going to take a look at. But look at that whole setup. So cool. This Toyota, this is going to be like a late 80s. Very nice. A little simpler on the paint, but just as clean on the fabrication. Look at all that. Look at all that armature. Very cool. Not your typical tan, but I really like it. It goes well with this white. Look at that shifter. That's very cool. This is a beautiful truck. Huge movement to bring this all back, which is awesome. Custom Willwood caliper. Beautiful 22R under there. And then this one as well. Another 22R. But check out this artistry of paint. Tribal, airbrush. You gotta look closely because there's the skulls. There's some famous people on here. It's very cool. Just beautiful. So nice. And a suicide door. And he carries it all into the cab with this artistry, with this beautiful airbrushing. So nice.